हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केबी हसीना उर्दू गर्ल्स हाई स्कूल औसा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट लातूर, 7th class poem. Sleep, baby, sleep. With the guidance of our HM, Mrs. Shabana Ehsanullah Qadri. Created by Qazi Urujunisa Azharuddin. Sleep, baby, sleep. Your father herds his sheep. Your mother shakes the tree, from which fall pretty dreams on thee. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. The heavens are white with sheep, for they are lamps, those stars so bright, and the moon's shepherd of the night. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. And I shall give thee a sheep, which with its golden bell shall be a little playfellow for thee. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Sleep, baby, sleep. Thanks for watching.